Well, here in Indy, we got to talk to the one and only Aaron Brown, owner of the Garage Shop. First of all, what do you think about Indy this year in the PRI show?
I think it's great. I mean, we went to SEMA too. I had some reservations, about coming here, but man, it's right back to where we left off back in 2018, 19.
And the enthusiasm,
that's great.
It's amazing. The
all
energy.
there, yeah, all there. Got to see a lot of our friends, Rob Schultz from Schultz Engineering, all our friends from Safety Clean, Fuzzy and Gear FX and Sediva. So got to see a lot of our friends from K&K Insurance, right. Paul Underwood. Yeah.
So speaking of K&K, tell us about the trip down to Alabama to get out of the Motorsports Museum the Bobby Isaac short track car to go with Big Brother here.
Well, when we got involved with building the 71, we contacted K&K to make sure it was okay to use their name on the car, and we didn't ask for anything. We just wanted permission, and it that relationship blossomed into them letting us restore Bobby's 69 Charger, 68 Charger. So that's in the shop, and we're real excited about that. I think it's the only place in the country you can come see two Bobby Isaac cars same place.
I was just going to ask you, what's it like when you walk in and you look out there and there's your hero, two of his cars are there.
Looks like 1970.
So we don't dress that way again.
There you go.
He's watching.
Speaking of in the shop, tell us about the Roadster. What's going on there, and what brought that about?
We went to Bonneville, and we've been going out there a long time with stock cars, and those guys, they're real safety oriented, and so there was always some questions about the stock cars, and we're working with them to address some things that'll help keep the cars in the parameters that they're designed to go on a Daytona and Talladega, and maybe a little bit more, but we decided we wanted to run for real records in an actual class. And after our history with the 39 Ford truck, 213 mile an hour, standing mile, street legal rat rod, we decided to build some street roadsters for Bonneville with some Roush Yates horsepower.
So if we go 200 miles an hour, do we get the red hat?
I think we got to go 230.
230, okay. Is it doable?
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Speaking of 230, we have something else going on, goes just a little bit faster, the Streamliner. How's that coming along?
Well, we got two other things going on. We got the 300 mile an hour Pro Mod car, the Duster, carbon fiber Duster for Vance.
Yeah, okay.
And then we got Vance's Streamliner, would be 400, 450 mile an hour, and Spencer and the engineering group, Mike Sweet, and all those guys are just doing a wonderful job. It's a little, it's slow, but I mean, it's like building an airplane that doesn't fly.
Right.
It's going to go 400 mile an hour across on the ground. So there's a lot of engineering that goes into that, and we've upped our capabilities there too. So it's rolling. What those guys are doing on the Streamliner, even though that car's not done, is already rolling back into our other projects for Bonneville.
So with all these projects going on, how do you pick which one you're going to do on which day, or do you have guys divided up into it? Or
I think it was around 20 people or so. Each the Streamliner has its own group, the Roadsters have its group, the Duster has its group, and then we got Max Senior, Max Junior, and Spud and Gunny over in the assembly side. So everybody's, it's just kind of like an assembly line, like Henry Ford, and that seems to work good for us.
So here's a question: have we run out of room yet?
Absolutely. We're in 2 buildings, and we need a third.
Perfect. Okay, well, that's stay tuned, watch, subscribe, right?
Yep, subscribe to the Garage
Aaron,
Shop YouTube channel. There's some
Brown.
great content on there from Zaya Creations, which is our partner on all our digital content solutions. Check those guys out. I think you're really going to enjoy it.
So when Aaron Brown says subscribe, you subscribe.
You should subscribe.
There you go.
I'll send you an invite.